I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable crypto staking on Kraken, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Open the Kraken website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Step 2. Navigate to the staking section. Once logged in, find the Earn tab in the main menu. Click on it to access the staking options available on the platform. Step 3. Choose your cryptocurrency. In the staking section, browse through the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Select the one you wish to stake, such as Ethereum or Tezos. Step 4. Review staking terms. Before proceeding, read the staking terms and conditions carefully. This includes information on rewards, lockup periods, and any fees associated with staking. Step 5. Enable staking. After reviewing, click on the Enable Staking button for your chosen cryptocurrency. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your selection. If you missed the confirmation screen, you might have to repeat this step. Now you're all set to start earning rewards through staking on Kraken. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy staking!